Walker's F-150 Lightning is about to make another parts run for us. In the back of the bed are all of Lett'y's suspension parts that is ready to go to powder coat. The subframe, the control arms, the sway bars, pretty much everything that we could pull off of this is going there. Also brought one of the coilovers, not that it needs powder coating, but some of the suspension parts we're going to get done in yellow. We're going to kind of match that. So anyways, we got a great powder coating company willing to help us out with this and future builds. We will be putting their name in the description on the YouTube channel. But it's pretty cool that we're using Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning as the Furious Garage shop truck. 20 years later, this thing is still slinging some parts, but not for Harry. They're doing it, or it's doing it for us. So follow the YouTube guys, please subscribe. A lot of amazing content. This truck will be restored one day. It's not ready yet to be done. We have about 2 or 3 cars in front of this to do, but follow the channel, guys.